As a professional personal protective clothing and PPE supplier, Shanghai C&G Safety Co Limited, which is founded in 2005, provides arc flash, firefighting, flame-resistant, military, aluminized, molten metal splash protective clothing, and one-stop solution for PPE products. Cooperating with well-known fiber and fabric suppliers, we spare no effort to meet different kinds of demands and critical needs of our customers. Based on technology of Dupont, Nomex, Protera, Aramid, Lenzing FR, and other high-tech materials, we are proficient in fabric development, garment design, marketing, and sales. With variety of protective products offering, we offer personal protective clothing and equipment with reliable performance and quality in the area of electric power industry, fire rescue, oil and gas, military, welding, metallurgy, and other industries. We have exported to South America, Eastern Europe, Southeast Asia, Africa, South Asia, Mideast, Oceania, Eastern Asia, Western Europe, Central America, Southern Europe, and other countries and regions. We have achieved ISO 9001, ISO 14001, OHSAS 18001, and CE certificate. Our enterprise spirit is inheritance, innovation, cooperation, and win-win. We believe there is a broad development prospects through our efforts. Now OEM and ODM orders are also welcomed.